Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Navaratri to all of you. Navaratri is one of my favorite festivals because there is celebrations everywhere. It's literally feast to the eyes. Be it decorated houses, dolls that we keep at home, decked up vehicles, jambu sawaris, loud music and much more. So today I'll tell you how I transformed from looking sleep deprived to getting this gorgeous look. So let's get into this fun transition. For creating this look, I used all basic makeup products that I had at home. So firstly, I'm starting off with Maybelline Baby Lips to moisturize my lips. Nextly, I'm using Calabar Primer, and primer is one of the essential things that you have to use before any makeup. This helps keeping that makeup for longer and also avoids that flakiness. Nextly, I'm using Revlon cream, and this is one of my favorite base moisturizers, and I have an exclusive video about this fairness cream that I use every day. Go ahead and watch it. So once I spread it across my face, I'm using Fit Me foundation, not as a foundation but as a concealer. So I'm putting it under my eyes and also on the uneven skin that I have near my lips, also on the acne spots that I had on my cheeks. So now I'm blending it using my fingertips, and you have to blend it properly, guys. So now I'm using Spins BB cream. This is equal to your Lakme weightless mousse cream that you get, that CC mousse cream, and it absolutely does the job so well. I have recently discovered this product and I'm absolutely in love with this product. And next up, I'm using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Cream, but I'll show you that later. But right now, I'm using Nykaa Brochika Eyebrow Pencil and I'm doing my eyebrows. So next up, I'm using this really dewy pink color on my crease. So firstly, I'm starting off with the corners so that I can blend it evenly and to get that outer V. So to get that outer V look, I'm doing this, and also I'm coming towards the inner corners of the crease. And now in the middle of the crease, I'm taking little lighter version of the pink and I'm creating that in-depth effect. The camera is not doing the justice, guys, but directly it looks really nice and gorgeous. So once I have blended it properly, I'll be moving on to the next shade, that is bronze color. And look at that color. I think it looks really amazing. So I'm just doing in the middle of the crease just to get that ombre effect. Once that's done, I'm using this Nykaa Kajal and I'm putting that on the lower waterline. So once that is done, I'm using this Nykaa Dual Palette Blush from Nykaa and I'm doing this in the swift motion by using this flat kabuki brush. Now I'm using my favorite Sivana highlighter. So on the apple of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose and also on the forehead. Next up, I'm using Lakme eyeliner to draw the liner. So I'm creating a wing liner here, a very basic wing liner. And this is my go-to look for all the outfits possible because this just looks too gorgeous. So I'm using the same Lakme eyeliner as mascara. I'm putting it on my eyelashes. I do this all the time. It's a lifesaver. I do have a mascara, but I'm too lazy to get it. So I'm using this itself. So once I get this finish, I'm using a final product, that is the Masaba lipstick in Wet n Wild. That's the shade, and this is an amazing purchase from Nykaa. So yeah, that's it. That's the entire finish of the look. I hope it looks good. And yay, this is with the free hair and with the outfit. It makes a lot of difference once you put everything together, like the outfit, like your accessories and everything. So I'm festive ready right now. I hope you all like this look and definitely gonna try at home since it is really easy to recreate. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.